Welcome back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Salary will be reduced from April 1st, but more money will be available on retirement. Modi government will change the rules. From April 1st, 2021, there may be a big change in your gratuity. Employees will get an increase in the gratuity and PF items. At the same time, the money in hand will decrease, but the money received on retirement can increase. Even the balance sheet of the companies will be affected by this. The reason for this is the Three Wages Code Bill passed on Parliament last year. These bills are likely to come into force from 1st April this year. Increase in contribution to gratuity and PF will increase the amount received after retirement. This will make it easier for people to live a pleasant life after retirement. The salary structure of high-paid officers will undergo the biggest change and will be the most affected due to this. Increasing PF and gratuity will also increase the cost of companies because they too have to contribute more to the PF for the employees. The balance sheet of company will also be affected by these things. The new draft law process to increase the maximum working hours to 12. The draft rules of the The draft rule of the OSCH code also provide for the addition of between 15 and 30 minutes of overtime by continuing 30 minutes of overtime. Less than 30 minutes are not considered overtime eligible in the current rule. Draft rules prohibit any employees from the working continuously for more than 5 hours. Less than 30 minutes are not considered overtime eligible in the current rule. Draft rules prohibit any employees from working continuously for more than 5 hours. Instruction to give employees a rest of half an hour after every 5 hours are also included in the draft rules. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon.